Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to show you how you can install one of our automatic changeover RV propane regulators. It's very quick and very easy to do, should only take you about 5 or 10 minutes, and all you need are a couple appropriate sized wrenches. That being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. So first things first, we want to be safe when we're installing this new regulator, so the first thing we'll do is close off our propane tanks. Then we will disconnect the old regulator from the propane tanks. And we'll also disconnect the propane hose from the RV or trailer. Once everything is disconnected, we can take off the top locking nut and the old regulator mounting bar from the mounting rack. And then we will take off the propane hose from the old regulator. We found it easier to do this way, so we're not fighting against the hose or twisting it up when we're taking off the old regulator or putting it on the new one. We'll take that old hose and we'll put some new thread tape on it, and then we will attach it to the new regulator. Once that's done, we can head back over to our propane tanks and insert the propane hose through the small hole on the bottom plate of the mounting rack. Then we can put the new regulator onto the bar of the mounting rack alongside the locking bar and the locking nut. Once everything is good and secure, we can connect the new regulator up to the propane tanks, and then we can connect the other end of the propane hose back up to the RV or trailer. So that's all there is to it when it comes to installing our RecPro automatic changeover RV propane regulator. Like I said, it's very quick, very easy to do. You don't need complicated tools to do it. If you like this video and you want to see more of us in the future, including more how-tos and tutorials, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro. Bye!